In this video, I'll show you how to create a sales quotation in the Younote application. Starting from the home page, navigate to the Sales module and select Sales Quote from the Sales Management section. This page will display the list of sales quotation. To create a new quotation, click the Create Quote icon at the top right. Next, fill in the necessary details. Select your customer and their details will autofill. Scroll down to the Sales Quote Line section to add products. Choose the method most convenient for you to add products. In this case, I'll use the Add Lines option. Select the product, enter the quantity, and adjust the price details if needed. Use the Add More button to include additional products or the Save and Close button to finalize them. Once the product details are added, scroll back to the top and click the Submit button to confirm the quotation. You can now send this quotation to your customer. Once the customer approves the quotation, proceed to accept it by selecting the three-dot menu ellipsis and click Quote Accept to confirm acceptance. Thank you for watching, and start creating your sales quotations effortlessly with Younote.